In this video, I will show you how to create a to-do list on Notion. So it's actually very easy. Open the Notion dashboard, go to Team Spaces, and then to Projects. Here we can see track to-dos and team projects. Start by picking a template now. Then we have three different templates: project tasks, project task and sprint, and the to-do list. So we click on to-do list and then on get started. Now we need to write a project proposal, a schedule kickoff meeting, a review, research results. These are all different tasks you can fill in. So for example, what do I need to do? I need to get the briefing. So I fill that in, and once I've actually finished the task, I can click on this mark right here. Currently it's all not started, but if I click on it again, it will be checked as done. Now as you can add as many tasks as you want by creating new tasks here down below, and then you can just type them in. Walk the dog, and after you've done it, you can click on complete it. You can give every task a name, and you can even filter your tasks by task name, assignee, due, status, and summary. You can give your task a due date by clicking on due and then just selecting any date you want it to be completed. And then you can actually just schedule your tasks and see when your tasks need to be finished. So you can always finish your tasks in time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.